So we're going to set up a couple of machines here. We're going to set up stators which use steel and wire, and also rotors, and I'm using the alternate recipe which is steel and wire. So I can have two inputs to feed two separate production lines. So I'm going to have, say, rotors here and stators here. Now I have a technique I've been using, and one of the building methods you might not have really seen me use is the stacking of the splitters and mergers. They help you get alignment, then you can delete them when you're done. So for instance here, that is lined up to there. There's an input into here that allows me to, if I put another one of these machines here that's lined up, and there's a nice placement that you have where the back foot is there on the foundation split, and it's the same over here on this. So you get a nice, and it has to do with how I do all the splitting here. So if I put another conveyor lift there, I've got that straight away joined like I did over there in the factory with the steel ingots. If I had a third machine here, I'd do the same. Then if I do the same on this side, if I look at where it's placed, it's roughly here. You can use the line. That looks about, is it on? Yeah, that's right. And I want the incoming coming from there. So then that lines up to there. That one is there. That straight into there. And then we've got the input, the actual product that's coming in. This feeds in from here, and it will feed each one of the splitters. So that could, for instance, be the steel wire coming in and feeding through. And then you can delete these when you're done. And it's all supported, technically. And then you do the exact same thing for the other input here. And you can just do this at ground level. And this one's slightly different because you need to take into account make sure that you're missing the conveyors. This is straightforward. This is the same here. The main thing that's different is you can go across like that and it looks pretty yucky, or you can come across like this. And this is just another, it's load balancing again, and it's just nice pretty 90-degree stuff. So they'll have an input there, an input there, the machines get fed and we power them up and product will be making them. So yeah, we could have alternate steel rotors on this side, and then we'll have the stators on this side. Now the really nice thing about what we're doing here is, if I plonk down another machine and show you, so they make 5 stators per minute and they make 5 rotors per minute. So now I've got 10 stators and 10 rotors that will get made per minute. And I look at motors, motors need 10 of each. So I just merge these two lines together, feed them into one of these, and I'm making motors at the optimum rate. It's as simple as that.